Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Zoom tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or terminate your Zoom account. So this can be useful if you're no longer using Zoom and you want to remove your account from their systems so that you no longer receive emails and no one can hack your account. So it's actually impossible to delete your account from the app, either on your phone or on your computer. So what we're going to need to do in our browser on any device is just go to zoom.us. Once you get to Zoom, just log into your account. And once you're signed in, select My Account in the top right. This will take us to our profile. From here, what we need to do in the left sidebar is go down to Admin and select Account Management. Under Account Management, select Account Profile. And then when Account Profile loads, you'll see Terminate Account right here. Go ahead and select that. And then just confirm that yes, you want to delete or terminate your account with Zoom. So select yes. All right, this will take us back to zoom.us. You will see that you are no longer logged in and your Zoom account has now been deleted. All right, so that's how you terminate or delete your Zoom account. If you'd like to see more tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.